the subscribe button and the bell to never miss out any of my videos. Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So today I'm going to be sharing my nail care routine with you guys. It's a very easy, simple routine. So I hope you guys will like it and let's get started. So the first step in this routine is to remove the nail polish. For that, I'm going to be using this nail polish remover by Color Bar, and it is an acetone free. Now I prefer nail polish remover which are acetone free because acetone makes our nails dry and also the area near our nails dry. But if you're wearing a gel polish, you need acetone to remove it. So the nail care routine which I'm showing you guys right now is not my daily nail care routine. It's a routine which I follow when I think of changing my nail art or my nail polish. Because obviously we are not going to remove nail polish every single day. I don't have much of time. If you have, then great. I don't have. So there's one tip which you guys can follow if you are trying to remove a glitter nail polish or a dark color nail polish like black or dark blue, dark red, something of like that. That is, take the nail polish remover into a cotton ball and press it over your nails for few seconds. After few seconds, rub the cotton ball over your nails. Make sure you don't rub it too much because you don't want the glitter or the dark nail polish to spread around the area near your nails. So rub it just over the nail and then take it off. So you guys can see that almost all of the nail polish came off, and this method is best if you're trying to remove dark nail polish and glitter because we don't want the nail polish or the glitter to get over our nails. So the second step in this routine is to push your cuticle. So to push the cuticle, you can use a metal cuticle pusher or you can use a wooden one. I'm going to be using the wooden one. Now using this wooden cuticle pusher, I'm going to push my cuticles back. Now you must have seen many people cutting their cuticles, but I don't prefer cutting it because cuticle is not a bad thing. It actually protects your nails from the outside dust and bacteria. But if your cuticles are very long, then you can cut it, but I prefer pushing it back. Now if your cuticles are not soft and you are getting pain while pushing it, then what you can do is you can use cuticle oil. There are many cuticle oils in the market which you can buy, or you can use nail oil or nail butter. So I'm going to be applying little bit of nail butter around my cuticles to make my cuticles soft, and then I will push it back. In this way your cuticles will be soft and it will be easily pushed. And also if you don't have a cuticle pusher, you can use your finger to push it. Now I will suggest you guys that if you're taking a bath, you use your finger to push your cuticle. But if you're not taking a bath, then it's better you take a tissue paper, wrap it around your nails and then push it, because there might be some dust or something like that on your nails, and when you're using it to push your cuticles, that dust will end up into your cuticles, which is not a good thing. So the third step is to file your nail. For that, I'm going to be using this glass file by Oriflame. There are many glass files available in online. You can buy it. I will leave the link of few in the description box so you can check it out. Now filing our nails is really very important because due to course of time, what happens is that at the end of our nails it becomes slight cut or it become weak. So when we file, we just remove that weak portion and making our nails strong, and also filing your nails will increase the growth of your nail. Now as my nails have strong C curve, it gives pressure to this area which ultimately end up giving some kind of cracks. So I prefer making it into a coffin shape. In that way the C curve will be less. So the fourth step in this routine is to apply nail polish. Now if you don't want to apply a nail polish, what you can do, you can just apply a base coat. So I'm going to be applying a base coat. For that I'm using this Nykaa 7-in-1 nail spa. I have done a review video of this particular nail polish, so if you guys haven't watched it yet, go check it out by clicking on the I button, or there will be a link in the description box. Now I will suggest you guys never keep your nails naked because naked nails are prone to breakage. So always apply a nail polish onto your nails, or if you don't want to apply nail polish, at least apply a base coat. Now the fifth and the final step in this routine is to apply cuticle oil or cuticle butter. Now there are many cuticle oils available online. You can buy them to use it, or you can make your own DIY cuticle oil at home. I've done a video where I showed you guys how you can make a cuticle oil at home at a cheap rate. If you guys want to watch it, you can do so by clicking on the I button, or there will be a link in the description box. But my cuticle oil is finished, so I'm going to be using cuticle butter. For that I'm using this Arinus cuticle butter, and I've also done a review video showing you guys about this Arinus cuticle butter. So go check it out by clicking on the I button, or there will be a link in the description box. So I'm going to take little bit of this butter and will apply around my cuticles. And also I will apply little bit underneath my nails. Now using my finger I will massage it around the cuticles. And that's it. So these are the 5 easy step routine which I follow when I think of changing my nail art or changing my nail polish. But if you guys want me to show you guys my daily nail care routine, then comment down below, I will do that as well. So that's it for today guys. I hope you guys like it, and if so then don't forget to give this video a thumbs up and also subscribe to my channel if you haven't already, and comment down below whether you guys like it or not, and if you guys want to see some different type of videos then comment below about it, then I will do that as well. So thank you so much for watching, and I will see you guys on my next video. Bye.